In this video, I'm going to show you how to add field on Formaloo. Once logged in on your Formaloo account, click on blank. First is to type in title of the form. And then we will add the field by clicking on Add Field and choose what type of field you want for your form. For the name, which is the field type, is text. We can put description on each field. Enable required here so that respondents will strictly input their name. We can add limit to the characters of the name. Next field we will add is for the contact numbers. We can use the field type phone or number here. For the address, I added again a text field. I also added an email address and used the email field type. See, it's so easy. I hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!